Hey everyone. So I just wanted to give y'all an update on what my social media is going to be looking like. So, I recently, the beginning of January, found out that I have some health issues. And so the health issues were type 2 diabetes, Hashimoto's, autoimmune disease, hypothyroidism, and high blood pressure. So when I found out, I immediately just started changing my diet, watching my sugar, like a lot, and yeah, that is what's going on so far. And since the 4th, I have lost 24 pounds. The 4th of January, I have lost 24 pounds. I'm taking it very serious because I've seen people not take it serious and things have happened. And so I'm definitely not going to do that. I found me a wonderful doctor and she is helping me, and she has a great game plan for me, and I trust God that He's going to help me through this. And so with that being said, I am taking medication for my thyroid and my hypothyroidism and my blood pressure, and I am taking a GLP-1 medication or shot for my type 2 diabetes and to help me with the weight loss. So right now it is going very well. I am eating healthier. I've already started posting some videos about what I've been making for food, like for my dinners and lunches and snacks. There will be a lot more videos of that, and just the progress of everything I'm doing, and I'm just going to try to update y'all. So if y'all are going through any of this, please give me a follow, and let's be friends on here, because let's support each other, because everyone needs support going through all this. And if I can give you some great healthy ideas, I hope I do. So I know all the food that I've been cooking is very good. Love it. Love the flavor. So that helps. And I couldn't say I could do this without my nutritionist right now. Her name is Shauna. I'll tag her below. She does Zoom calls all online if she doesn't live near you. And she doesn't live near me, so it's all been online, and she's been a great support and a person to talk to about all this. And you should definitely, if you're struggling or need like a meal plan or anything, definitely ask, message her on here, because she would probably love to help you out, because she's doing wonders for me. And So here to a new lifestyle change. I'm not going to say diet, because being big all my life I've been on a diet all my life. I don't remember when I haven't been on a diet, and them were just kind of fad diets, and they didn't work out. I'd lose some weight and then gain it back. But I realized, because I have a thyroid issue, that is why it is harder to lose weight. So I am trying to figure all that out, and I'm doing really great so far. I'm proud of myself, how far I've came so far. If you told me at the beginning of this year, the 1st of January, that I would probably be out of a certain number by the end of February, I would not believe you. I wouldn't. So, with that being said, here to a new lifestyle change. here to a new beginning, and I hope I can help anyone that's watching this video right now. And yeah, thank you. Hope y'all have a great day, because y'all deserve it.